Well, good morning. Winter's back. Almost winter. We're in November here. I figured I'd show you my daily routine. The mice are back, and they like these hollow walls with no insulation in them. That's all part of having an old house. So here's the daily routine, and I'll show you my new mouse trap. The microphone picks up a lot of. I moved it down to my waist. Sorry, folks, it was very loud. All right, so I have to go up this crawl space door to the attic. I'm still recovering from knee surgery. So not ideal, but it is what it is. I can only get mice in the attic. They're not in this room at all. I put a trap in here. I get nothing. The only place I'm getting them is in there. This is another cool. And this is all just crap insulation. It's got a ridge vent. I'm wondering if they're coming in there. I don't know. But that screen is clear down there. But this is the new trap. Sounds like I may have somebody in there. Yeah, there's one down there. And he's still alive. Good, because this thing was full of peanut butter. What they do is they get on it and roll off of it. Alright, there's some still. Okay, so maybe they're figuring out they're smart. I mean, they'll stretch, they'll hold a leg here. They're no dummies, but the first two I got the first day died. I really didn't want to kill them. That's suffering, dying like that. Falling in there. People filling with water, with antifreeze. Like, come on, man. That's just cruel. So I put a little insulation in this one so I can keep them. They wouldn't die from freezing. I don't know if they die from because it was cold or they just got scared to death. But I don't know. This one lived. It was only overnight, so I'm gonna do the right thing. Take them down the road to the old factory and dump them in the woods there. They can get back like 2 miles, allegedly. I have a river right here, so the odds of him coming across the bridge, slim, hopefully. All right, that's a good place for a mouse, right? There you go. Run, be free. Get eaten by a bird. Well, Mike's an old softy, you know. Doesn't want to kill things in his old age. Older age. Let's check the old basement trap. See, the only time I've gotten a mouse down here is when this brick wall was open and you could see daylight up there. So once I sealed this off, I don't get any mice in the basement that I can catch, I should say. You know, traps are usually good. I put one trap down here. I put them down here a bit, but they're always empty. I get nothing. I've tried different places. Tried it on the floor, up on the ridge. Because if anything, you'd think they'd come in around the windows or somewhere. That's an exterior wall. I put one up on top of this, up on my gas furnace, and yeah, they ain't touching that peanut butter. It's nice and warm up there too. But this room is where I hear them this is a false wall, and there's a room behind here. And I hear them in my bedroom wall. Pretty much, let's see, I'm probably right above here. I hear them in the wall chewing. But they do not come in from the basement. I mean, the only thing this is sealed. I think that's just one layer of bricks missing. Unless I get up on that sill plate and do some caulking, I don't know. And this is the dungeon. This is the old coal bin. I put a trap in here, nothing. Because I would think up at that window. I mean, I've sealed outside around that window is fine. I don't know. Are they coming in the attic? Do mice climb walls and come down chimneys? I really didn't get underneath this deck. That's the only place I haven't gotten underneath to look, but I can look from here. And the other place is underneath that porch, which I do see a hole in the brick there. But there's layers of brick, you know, it's like, look at how thick a wall is. That hole would have to go all the way through, and I think it's just the pointing on one of the bricks is missing. You know, I don't get rat droppings down here. Not since I sealed that off, so. It's old house fun. Anybody else got an old house? Dealing with mice? As long as they're not in the house, I'm fine. In the walls, it still sucks, but most of my house is this old metal wiring, so they're not chewing through that. But it's when you get into, you know, if you have a newer house, they like chewing on this stuff, and that's where it becomes a fire danger. Not that this house is not a fire danger at all. I mean, look at it. That's professional. So good luck with your mouse hunting and trapping, but that bucket works really good. It's just a broom handle, basically, with a PVC pipe, something that spins. I think the smaller the better on the inner piece. That'd be better, because they got to balance on that to get to the pipe, and then they fall. But, yeah, that's that. That's my routine lately. We're on the version 3.0 on the mouse trap. I'll show you 2.0 when I get up there, because it didn't work. And this is 3.0. We had to go to a smaller cable, because they were going across the pipe, like I thought, just holding on to it. And they're crazy crafty. They'll put a leg here and the tail and just eat everything off there. So now we got to get this guy. It's very, very tipsy. So let's get some peanut butter on that and bring it upstairs. That'll be much better. And I put the ramp on the side, so maybe they'll, because you put it on the end, they try to stretch out. I don't know. We'll see. I've seen a few different ways. This was 2.0. It's way too big. I'll show you in the video I got. They just went along the side there and reached over and licked everything off. Okay. Oh, and I set up the camera. All right, let's show you on the old playback here. Come on, rotate. So he comes up, look at him, goes right around. Yeah, no dummies. They are super smart. I didn't think he'd climb on the edge like that either, but I guess he can. So maybe I should put some something slippery up there. And he walks around down here, scopes out the whole area. I think he comes back. Let's see if I can fast forward this. I know that's the wrong way. Is it this video or the next one? He comes back. All right, now it's the middle of January now, and somewhere in December, I put this setup up there. The bucket again with the can, and no activity. It's been in that position for over a month, 2 months now. Both traps, no activity, they're set. Nothing gets picked up on the camera that I put up there. But I'll tell you what I did do. Remember we saw the mice going up the pole? This, right above this pole, right above that pole is the ridge vent of the roof. And I remember going through with my inspector. There's a gap. Like this guy took the skill saw. So what they do is they go to the peak of the roof and they cut a channel with a skill saw usually. And that's your vent, and then they cap it with shingles. This guy had a hole like this wide and like good 8 inches long. And I think the mice were coming in there because I shoved a bunch of steel wool up in there and I've had nothing since. So I don't know if it's middle of winter. They're hunkered down. They're not looking for a new home, but I'm calling it good. So I had no mice in the basement. Remember, I had nothing coming in. All the traps are fine, so it had to be the attic. So I'm calling it good. What do you think?